Hey guys, it's Kaylin with Boxwood Spruce. It's Thursday, which means it's time for Thrift with Me Thursday. Let's go see what they have in the Goodwill today.
The first thing I found when I walked in was this cute little wood bench. I think with a little elbow grease you could bring the wood back to its full luster. If the wood wasn't your thing, you could always paint it and make this really cool hardware pop. I couldn't find a price on it, so I'm not sure how much it is, but this would make great storage, a great coffee table. I've even seen it where people put cute grain sack pillows on it and use it as extra bench seating. It's just such a cute piece. I'm sure it's a great price, and I really like these leather handles too. Right on top of this wood bench is this cute little footstool. I love the little legs on it. I think it's adorable. It's only $4.99. What I do here is just remove the fabric and replace it with whatever you want that's cute. A green sack, or you could even cut some more wood or see what the wood looks like underneath it and paint the stool itself. Next, I found this cute faux bird cage. I've seen these used in so many ways. If you check out Miss Mustard Seed, she has stacked books and plants in hers. In fact, I've seen a lot of plants packed into these little bird cages that look really fun. I've also seen it where it's used as a little twinkling nightlight, and even someone that's turned it upside down and made it into a light fixture. For $7.99, there are so many ways you can turn this into something cute. Next, I found this really cute side table. I love the details of it. It's got really cool legs, a really cool shape, function with that little cubby, and then check out this little brass railing. This kind of reminds me of something you find like an old vintage bar mixed with something like marble. If I had the skills, I would take off this top, replace it with something marble, and put that railing back on. You could paint it black, or you could sand it down to its natural wood. Here are some examples of some looks of that. Okay, here's another stool. I'm not sure the price because there was no price tag on it. Seems to be a theme today, but I like the primitive look at it. I would just change out the top, whether you put more wood or fabric and then paint it a chippy milk paint. Next, I found this giant metal vase. It's pretty expensive. It's $19.99, so probably would pass on this. But if it was for you, all it really needs is to play up on this really pretty texture. It's got a great shape to it also. I would hit this with some black chalk paint, something that would give it a matte, muddy look, or even something in a creamy tan and white family. Alright, next I found these cute little fall baskets. This one is $10.99. Again, a little expensive, but it's got a fun color and texture. And then there's this little corn husk kind of scrolled wood wreath. This would be really fun to put on your door for fall. Let's see if I can find a price. The price on this one is $5.99, so that's a little better. But on both of these, I love the color and I love the texture. That's how I like to bring in fall decor, is just with these warm tones and textures. I think either of them would be great on your door. Next, I found these two really big and really heavy pots. They're $10.99 each. I don't like the elements on them. So what I would do is play up the texture and get some compound joint to fill in these little elements on it, and then just repaint it. Maybe do a mud technique or just a nice neutral paint color on these pots. Next, I found this little white Hobnail jar. It's only $4.99. This would be great for makeup brushes, kids' pencils, markers, you name it. It's just great storage. Next, I found this cute little wooden whale cutting board for $2.99. Wouldn't this be great for summertime entertaining? I just picture it a nice, red, white, nautical blue. It would be even cute as a sign in a little boy or girl's room. Whenever I go thrifting, I always love to check out the dish aisle and look for really fun plates. At the end of this one, I found a very small and dainty blue and white plate for 99 cents. I would love to add this to my collection. It would be beautiful and the perfect size and a unique plate wall. Next, I found this really functional and cute galvanized tray for just $3.99. This would be perfect for summertime entertaining, loaded up with possibly these jars over here, which are just 99 cents. You could fill them with flowers, your cutlery, napkins. It would just be a great place to corral for summer dining. Next, I found this gigantic embroidery hoop for just $4.99. What I love about it is its enormous size. This would be a very easy DIY art project. Just replace it with some new fabric or have your hand at some embroidery work. There's some really cute stuff out there. Next, I found these really great brass napkin rings. I love the shape and color. There's 6 of them, and these would be perfect for styling this fall. Next, I found this trio of brass and copper angel candlestick holders. They range from $5.99 to $3.99. They're just really cute and vintage. I think they'd be fun, obviously, at Christmas time for unique decor. Next, I found this really great bottle with the little grooved handle for $3.99. This would be perfect to put in a guest room and fill it with water so your guest has some cute decor, but also functional water by their bedside table. All right, last but not least, I'm over in the fabric aisle and I found what I believe are maybe old drapes, but I really love the fabric. I think the floral on one side and the ticking stripe on the other would make fantastic pillows, and all this fabric for just $5.99. All right, guys, that's it for me today. Thanks so much for thrifting with me. I hope you found some inspiring ideas that help you next time you're thrifting. Until next time.